Hi there, DIY enthusiasts! Today, we have an exciting project to share with you, creating an electronic bell with simple components. This project involves the use of a breadboard, an LED light, a buzzer, and a few batteries. It's a fun and educational way to dive into the world of electronics. This project is not just about creating something new, it's about learning, experimenting, and enjoying the process. Are you ready to create this amazing electronic bell? Then come on! First off, gather all your components. Always remember, safety comes first, so ensure you handle the tools and components carefully. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of assembling our electronic bell. We'll start with the breadboard, the foundation of our project. It's like a playground where all our components will come together to create something truly magical. Firstly, place the buzzer on the breadboard. The buzzer is our bell's voice, making the sound that grabs our attention. Make sure to position it securely. This isn't a game of musical chairs. Once a component finds its spot, it stays put. Next, we introduce the LED light. This little fellow is our visual cue, lighting up each time the bell rings. Place it on the breadboard, close to the buzzer. They're partners in this project, always working in unison. Now comes the fun part, connecting the wires. Think of these as the highways that allow current to travel across our bell. Start by connecting one wire from the buzzer to the LED light. This forms a bridge between our two main components, allowing them to communicate. Next, connect a wire from the LED light to the positive side of your batteries and another from the buzzer to the negative side. This completes our circuit and provides the power necessary for our bell to work. Remember, it's essential to get these connections right. If the wires are the highways, then the correct placement is the accurate map that guides the current to its destination. Without it, our bell won't ring, and we don't want a silent bell, do we? Finally, we add the batteries. These are our powerhouses, providing the juice that brings our bell to life. Attach them to the breadboard, ensuring the positive and negative terminals are connected correctly to the corresponding wires. At this point, our electronic bell is fully assembled. Take a moment to admire your work. Every component, every wire, placed with precision and purpose. But this isn't just about creating an electronic bell. It's about understanding how these components interact, how current travels, and how we can manipulate these elements to create something functional and fun. So, don't rush. Take your time to appreciate the process. Each step, each connection, brings us closer to that satisfying ding of the bell. And when it finally rings, it's not just a sound, it's a testament to your patience, your understanding, and your skill. There you have it, your very own electronic bell. But we're not done yet, let's see how it works. Now that we've put together our electronic bell, it's time to test it out. The moment of truth has arrived. Let's connect the final wire to complete the circuit. Can you hear that? That's the sweet sound of success. Our electronic bell is working perfectly. The LED light is blinking in sync with the buzz, just as we planned. This project was a journey, wasn't it? We started with a simple breadboard, a LED light, a buzzer, and some batteries. We took our time carefully placing each component in its place. We learned about the importance of each part and how they work together to create a functioning electronic bell. Remember when we connected the LED light to the circuit? That was a key step because it visually signals when the bell is ringing. And how about the buzzer? It's the heart of our bell, creating the sound we hear. Don't forget the batteries either. These provided the power needed to bring our electronic bell to life. And the breadboard? It's our foundation, the platform that holds everything together. We've transformed these individual components into a working electronic bell. It's a testament to your skill, patience, and creativity. And voila! You've successfully created your electronic bell. We hope you enjoyed this project as much as we did. Isn't it amazing what you can create with a few simple components? If you enjoyed this project, show some love with a like, subscribe for more, and spread the DIY spirit by sharing this video. Stay tuned for our exciting next project. Remember, the world of DIY is filled with endless possibilities, so keep exploring, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next project. Bye for now!